We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa D.I.Ys and on our simple, slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi.
Vabbè, facciamo che la prendiamo.
Welcome to the South African chef, named Lanice Corin Morona, all the way imported to Sicily. We are here to teach you Sicilians a few things, how we do it where we come from. So look and learn. Do not disturb. Just taste and blow those taste buds away. So, yeah. Nice. Sit that shower, the shower, you'll think of me.
I don't have to look at the shower to think of you, Charlie.
There you go. He's just now putting he's pointing it, I think you call it, yes. He's just putting all the cement, the glue, whatever, in between the stone. I really like it, it's lovely. Kids are here today with my daughter-in-law. They've come for a quick swim and they're going to have lunch with us in a moment. Yep, it's that time of year where the high street here in Floridia is gearing up for the annual horse race. So you've got the sand, they've completely blocked the high street. And it is a beautiful festival, but it is so annoying because you have to park like way far away and walk all the way. But anyway, it is what it is. Viva the festivities in Sicily. The highlight of the week was that Massi's older brother Roberto came all the way from Cape Town. It was a last-minute decision, and his sister with her family came from Rome to just have a wonderful family reunion all together. Massi hadn't seen his brother in such a long time, and so it was a very emotional time for them. And yes, it was just great to see them all together after all these years. It was wonderful.
35 years!
So you will notice that in this week's video, all you will see is us preparing food, eating, swimming, sitting in the sun, talking about family and just reminiscing actually about all things family. And I'm sure you can relate because as immigrants, you know, Italian immigrants living abroad, it's great when you do get together. And it's fantastic just to sit and enjoy il dolce far niente. This is honestly what we love doing as Italians. I think as any Mediterranean family, probably the whole of the world loves doing this. are now all on our way to Ortigia for a nice afternoon stroll. We spent the whole day in front of the pool, eating and talking about family and things. So now we're just going to go Ortigia and have a nice evening stroll. This is the lawn.
This is you unbelievable fresh water.
How much can you spend?
That's smaller, that's rocky.
I love this.
London View. Cheers.
Cheers. Salute. Salute. Salute.
Cheers, everybody.
Many more of these brothers.
See you at reunion, family reunion.
Simone, you're so melodramatic.
Okay, we had a lovely walk in Ortigia. The family are all behind. We're gonna make our way home now. Massi's made a fresh dough for pizza, and we're gonna make some pizza in our pizza oven.
This is where you start.
And then you built on top
So I
of it.
built cement and then volcanic crushed rock.
No volcano.
Cement again.
If I fall
Another
asleep, wake me up.
volcanic rock. And then I put the flares down on the base. And I drew a circle. And I got a compass. And with it,
C'è la luna in mezzo mare, mamma mia, mamma di dare. Figli miei, cutte dare, mamma mia, pensaci tu. Se tu togli la pesceola, e tu vai, e tu vieni, sembra lo pesce, ma non tiene. Se ci picchi la fantasia, mi pisciuli la figli mia. Pisce fritta baccalà, uè compagno che la malega giaccata. Oh mamma, pesce fritta baccalà, mi voglio una yacht che mi voglio maritare. C'è la luna in mezzo mare, mamma mia, mamma di dare. Figli miei, tutte dare, mamma
Cold?
pensaci tu.
Si sta bene?
Se ti togli lo scapparo, e tu vai, e tu vieni, ma te tu mi tieni. Se ci pigli la fantasia, mi batta di la figlia mia. Uè mamma, me voglio maritare. Uè mamma, quanta bella baccalà. Uè mamma, piscia fritta baccalà. Me voglio una maiotta che mi voglio maritare. C'è la luna in mezzo mare, mamma mia, mamma maritare. Figli miei, tutte dare, mamma mia, pensaci tu.
Okay, we've come to Noto just for a nice stroll. They've never been to Noto, and they've come to Sicily a couple of times, so this will be a nice place for them to see. And then tomorrow we're going on a boat ride, so that'll be nice. Okay, we are taking them on a little boat ride. Actually, if any of you are interested, I know a fantastic company and he always gives me such amazing discounts. So I will probably leave his name in the description box. If I happen to forget, because my head is all over the place this week with all our lovely visitors, then ask me for it and I will give it to you. Okay, let's go.
Anyway, always, often,
Every day.
Sometimes.
sometimes, half time. Scendi che salgo io! tu se scherzi, quando portavo il moglie a settimana bianca, abbiamo il signore che guida.
Okay, we can start from here. In this moment, we are in the canal that's linked the two harbors of Ortigia Island. Okay. Okay, guys, this is the ieri non sapevamo fare nemmeno il blog.
Era più mosso ieri.
Mas,
This side of Sicily.
The boat's rocking. It's not the love boat like that one. Everyone's getting a bit scared. Everybody is happy, all talking. We're just waiting in the queue. Basically, the other boat's also waiting. We're waiting in a queue so we can go into that cave there, which we're just about to go into now.
I always tell everybody that they really need to do a boat ride along the island of Ortigia. It's almost like the highlight of the holiday, and I always like to take my family on a little boat ride every single year. I just think it just makes it so enjoyable. Anyway, after our lovely boat ride, we nipped into the fishmonger to pick up some octopus and other bits of fish to have a nice barbecue.
Who told you that story? One of your boyfriends?
We hope you've enjoyed this family holiday and the food, and we'll see you next week with a brand new one. Ciao, alla prossima!